Hey, my name is Erica, and you're here because you're ready to learn more about the vibrational medicine technique. That means you're sick and tired of the mainstream fad diets out there that just haven't given you the results that you want. And you're ready to find a sustainable long-term solution that's going to give you the results that you've been wanting. And you're in luck because with the vibrational medicine technique, you're never going to have to go on a diet again. I've also experienced those frustrations that you've had with weight loss. Trying every diet in the book, calorie counting, calorie deficits, and you get some results, but they don't stick. Plus I was sick and tired of looking at photos of myself and being disgusted with how I looked. Hating my double chin and my belly, looking in the mirror and I couldn't believe that I had let myself go that badly. And instead of looking for a solution to the problem, I would just eat my feelings. My solution was just to find comfort food, to fill that void. I was using food to suppress my emotions. With being a Reiki master and sound healer, I learned to use those modalities to help me heal on an emotional level. But one day I kind of had this aha moment where I said to myself, why am I not using these modalities to help me on a physical level as well? And that's when I started using the specific sound frequencies that target weight loss and doing Reiki sessions on myself, that I noticed the changes, that I noticed that I was beginning to lose body fat. I was losing inches. I noticed that my eating habits began to change. 2 weeks into this daily practice, I noticed that I didn't have as much sugar cravings as I normally did. I started learning to eat intuitively. My body began craving more whole foods, veggies, and fruits. And this was also a time where I was struggling with depression, anxiety, and being burnt out. And I noticed that just started leaving my body. My mood started changing. I was happier, more cheerful. I found myself wanting to exercise, that it was something fun and enjoyable that I could do. I was able to manage stress more easily. I was eating less and less junk food or fast foods without any supplements. I would remain fuller for longer periods of time. I also found out that the reason I needed comfort food was because I had imbalances in my root and my heart chakra. So I was also able to learn how to gently release those imbalances in my chakras to help me move away from comfort food. So after 45 days of me having success in this, I wanted to see if this was just a fluke or if I could help others do the same thing. So I set up a focus group. So in this focus group, I ran a 4-week program. By week 3, people were saying they were losing up to 5 pounds. So when I saw that the people inside this focus group were also getting results, I decided to test it again, and I opened this up to members inside my private Facebook group, the Calorie by Erica, using the vibrational medicine technique. Lo and behold, same results happened there. People were losing weight. People were getting more in touch with their emotions. People were figuring that their eating habits came from their emotional habits. And because I've had so much success with this program, I'm now ready to extend it to you and open the doors for everyone. So if you're ready to get your weight loss under control, find the reasons why you're overweight and be able to release that weight, then go ahead and book a call with me. Now, this call is just to give you a little bit more information on the vibrational medicine technique. There isn't going to be an offer where you don't have to sign any contracts or anything. This is just an informational call to see if I can help you using the vibrational medicine technique. Because let's be real, not everyone is ready to come face to face with their emotions or to come face to face with their trauma that's keeping them overweight. So this may not be something that you can use right now. And that's what this call's here. That's what this call's here to determine. But if you're ready to be guided through the process of sustainable weight loss by changing your relationship with food and learning how food affects all aspects of your life, right? Your mood, your relationships, gut health, energy levels, by using the vibrational medicine technique to achieve changing your thought patterns, your habits, all that stored negative emotions that are causing the disease in your body, then go ahead and book a call. It's time to go out with the old and in with the new. It's time to rebel against mainstream diet culture and revolutionize your health. Okay, I can promise you that there is no one out there using my proven formula for weight loss. I guarantee that this program is going to increase your energy levels. It's going to positively change your mood and reduce your body fat. So are you ready to test out my new methods? Then go ahead and book a call. We'll talk soon.